Hey guys, I'm happy to see you and I'm happy that I am making this video right now. And today I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this big voluminous bun. It's super trendy right now and it's summer and it's perfect time for all of these big buns. And with this kind of like a fake bang, and which is super popular now, and as you can see I don't have one, but we will create it with you together and I will show you that it's super easy. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna separate a part of the hair that will be a bang. I think will be fine for me. This is how I'm gonna separate this part of my hair for the bangs. My secret to create all of the volume, I'm gonna use the Orbit dry texturizing spray. I've been showing you the spray, guys. It's one of my favorite ones and I like to put it on this kind of hair because it helps to create the shape and it helps to create volume. So here I'm gonna tease hair but towards my face because I want that like 90s vibe here. And this is what we're gonna do with you. And by the way, I was showing you this Tangle teasing brush, and it's like the best if you want to create really big volume. So this is what I did. I will need the Velcro roller, like medium size of Velcro roller, just to fix the shape. I have a hot tools here. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting my hair inside of the curling iron and curl it towards my face. Yeah, like this. And the main thing here, to lift it up, like not keep it like this, but just lift it up to make sure you have like additional volume over here. So you need to get something like this. We place it into the Velcro roller, up, place it, roll it over the Velcro roller and roll it back here. So you should get something like this, and this is gonna be our future bang, and I will secure it here. And right now we're gonna create the ponytail here. It's gonna be like high ponytail, really high. You can use a little bit of the flexible spray. I like to use the hello, show it to the camera. Oh my god. Oh yeah, here, Air & Co Outer Space. I love this spray because it's really flexible and it doesn't like glue my hair, and it doesn't have like some sticky effect, and it's perfect. Sometimes I just like to have some pieces of the hair here to make it like even more like messy look. Put it into ponytail. Okay. We're gonna curl this ponytail to add the shape and volume because my hair, I have a lot of hair, but it's thin. Some people, they don't believe, they tell me, oh, I wish I had her thin hair, but it's really like, okay, I'm not gonna complain, but I don't have that thick hair, okay? So with this kind of hair, when it's like lots of hair but it's thin, I just need to add volume, and this is like the purpose of all of my videos, to show you that you can actually make lots of volume without adding like extra extensions or something like that. So here I just gonna grab like bigger pieces of hair and just curl it in the different directions however I want. We just need some curls, so it's gonna be easier to create a big bun and like create that messy look. And I'm not gonna even pin this curls, I'm gonna keep it like this just to, yeah. So we just need something like this. When you have like flat hair and it's not curled, it's harder to create that beautiful messy texture and shape. And when the hair curled and like prepared for hairstyle, it's easier. And I use this trick all the time, even when I'm doing like hairstyles for my clients. And then I curl like away from my face, any direction I want. Okay, curl back, Oh my god, my eyes are so blue here. Crazy. How blue they are. What I'm gonna do after this, I will use my Orbe spray. I apply it to all my hair. Why I'm doing this? Because on this kind of like soft hair, it doesn't hold the shape so well. But I want it to really hold the shape and just be big and voluminous. After that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna like brush this hair and tease every part of this hair and just make the smaller curls from it and just tease it. Just separate the curls and tease it with this kind of brush. This is my favorite brush to use, as I told you. This is a Tangle Teaser brush. And why I'm doing that? I just need to create some shape and some texture, so it's big and voluminous. And this is the like basement or foundation of your hairstyle actually, and this is how you get your big look. Look at that. Look how big the ponytail is. So my purpose of my channel is to show you that even if you don't have like so much hair, but a lot of people tell me, oh my god, you have so much hair, of course you can do hair. No, if I don't style it, I don't have so much hair. As you can see, I'm teasing it. You can see, look how small was it, and oh, I lost one curl, and how big is it now. So you can create lots of volume. Look at that, it's so big. And here I'm using the elastic hairspray. I don't use like super hard hairspray because I just want it to be really flexible. You have this ponytail, and what you're gonna do, you're just gonna create something that you like. And here I like to use some elastic just to secure this shape. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it into like some shape of the bun over here with the help of elastic like this. As you can see, I already have the bun and the shape is really nice. And what I'm gonna do later, I just want to use some bobby pins just to shape it and like make it how I like. And as you can see, it's super easy because it's already like working and it's already helping me to create the shape because I have the texture spray on it, and it's just super easy. This is just super fun, just to play with the hair and leave some pieces of the hair somewhere, or like just do whatever you want. And look at this bun. I'm gonna keep some hair here, I'm gonna keep some hair here. You can pull some hair if you want. And then what I'm gonna do, I just need this part of the hair here, and to create the bang, the sexy bang. So you just put it here, as you can see, over here. Then see, it kind of like framing the hair really so nice over here. And as you can see, when you curl it towards your face, it shapes into the like, see, into the cool bang. And you can shape it because you had like a texture spray on it, and look how cool it is. I just can brush it a little bit and just shape it over here with that spray. Oh my god, it looks so cool. But to fix the bang, I'm gonna use the harder hairspray. It's Stronghold. It's also Erin Co. And here it helps me to fix it really for a long time. And oh my god, it's so beautiful. And it's so easy, as you can see. And shape it over here. Just need a stronger hairspray so you can fix the parts of the hair here. To use this kind of clip over here, just to put it together. Just here. Oh yeah. And then up. You can separate this kind of bang here and just put some back here. Like this here, you can just separate it here. This is my final look, guys. What do you think about this hair? I really love it, and I love that you can create this kind of voluminous bang even if you don't have your bang, and it looks so cool. I'm gonna show you from this side too, and even with the thin hair like mine, you can create this big bun in just like 10-15 minutes and it looks so cool.